I have been working for the last few hours. Where you see the rake, this whole thing, this was a mound. This was everything that I took down, because I had the cedar hedge here, and I took it all down. And I bought this little machine, which is pretty cool. And I'm making mulch with it. I'm just breaking it down so that I can compost it and make compost for the garden. So I'm learning how to compost. This is all new to me. This thing is new to me. I realized that, they say to make compost, you're not supposed to be adding seeds like from weeds and whatnot. So there are seeds here from grapes. I have grape here. And there's this other red berry. I'm not sure. It's got these beautiful red berries. It's actually really pretty, but it's just very aggressive, and yeah. So some people apparently are allergic to that plant. So. All right, so I'm gonna continue. I need to be wearing these here because it's pretty loud. I just want to be sure that everything's in frame. So I'm starting to wonder if my blades are not getting a little tired. This is what I got done. So all of this hedge here, go back up, it was like that. So I took all of that out and I placed everything here. And of course, the bigger trees, of course, they're here, but all the branches and whatnot are there. I'm gonna go bring this compost here. Well, I'm gonna bring this, I'm gonna go for a little walk. I'm gonna show you where I'm dropping this. All right, so we'll go around my garden. I forgot to mention to you guys that I did this whole area here with wood. I didn't film it when because I did it one night. It was in the evening, and I just got up and had that idea. So I've been putting everything here, dropping everything here. So as much as there's so much that I got done, it doesn't look like much, does it? But it is. It was a lot of work. I've been doing this since this morning, and it's like 3 now. And I've been doing this since around 10:30. I took a few breaks. These are the compost bins I got. Nothing too fancy. I started my composting. Composting, you're supposed to do, I think it's 3 times brown, 1 time green. That means anything that's still alive and wet, like your veggies and the scraps. No oils, no, just the natural stuff. Like not salad, like you've had a salad and you have your salad dressing and oils on there. I wouldn't put it in there. I'm just doing the vegetable peels and fruits and coffee grounds and a little butterfly, coffee grounds and cardboard. You can put cardboard as long as it's not the glossy cardboard. And I heard that the cedar apparently has an oil in it that it takes a little longer for the compost to, because you're not supposed to be using any oils in there, because it slows down the process. And the smaller you break things down, the faster you'll get your compost. And you gotta wet it, and it's a whole process. And yeah, these are my grapes. This is what I was saying. I got some grapes, because this is the whole vine. There's a whole vine climbing up in there, and you can see I ripped out the vine and got rid of wherever the vine was coming from, and it all dried up at the top because that's dead, right? So I have to try to find a way to go get that out of there. Nature will find its way, I guess. And this is one of the vines, like the mother root. And I started trying to dig it out. Holy, look, it's already starting to vine again. It's just too bad. I love, love, love grapevines. A part of me wants to maybe keep it, and that I can have a little bit of grapevine on my fence because it's so pretty. But vine, it just gets out of hand. And I have another major mother root here. Look right here. This is another one going in there. So I'm going to continue working here, and I'll do the fast forward things so that you don't have to sit there and watch me do this slowly. So that's going to be it for today. So this is what I got done. Let's just back up. Hang on. Okay, from there to there. That took me all day. All day. It's past 4 now, and I'm just pooped tired. I got some videos to edit, so. Oh, all right, guys. So there are some fun parts in gardening, and there are some parts that are not as fun, but in the end, it will be beautiful. Thank you once again for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.